Great news! We've completed customized per sandwich panels for a large poultry farm project in Guatemala with a total area of 10,000 square meters. We apply differentiated specifications, 60 mm per panels for ceilings and 75 mm ones for partitions and exterior walls. All panels adopt double-sided AZ150 PAV-coated steel and boast a density above 40 kg per cubic meter, featuring outstanding corrosion resistance to fit frequent cleaning and disinfection in poultry breeding environments. Besides panel production, we provide one-stop service including material calculation and technical support. We finished the whole customized production within only 25 days. Reliable Chinese manufacturer. Contact us for your insulated panel solutions.